What's going on? We're going to do an unboxing video of the Squier Vintage Modified Strat that I got earlier this week from Sweetwater. Please use caution. To protect your new instrument, please wait before opening this box. Wood, paint, finish, and the playability of a guitar can be negatively impacted or damaged due to sudden significant changes in temperature or climate. We know it's hard to wait, but trust us on this one. To be safe, especially during the winter months, we advise that you allow this shipment to acclimate to your home for 24 hours prior to opening the carton and examining the instrument. How do you like that? I hit the post just like a disc jockey. This is how the box came when I received it. This is the day I got the guitar. It is a good idea to let the temperature acclimate, especially during the winter months, because there's no heat in the shipping compartments that these guitars are in. So the guitar could get quite cold. I'm reaching in here, feeling around. I'm hoping the guitar had been in Florida long enough to acclimate itself. Just because I wanted to get this video shot, you know. This is the book. This is a booklet that comes from Sweetwater. It has my receipt and stuff in it. They give you a bag of candy. That's pretty cool. I can't eat that candy though. But hey, it's cool. Now, had I not need to shoot this video at the moment, I would have pulled this box out. It would have been best to pull that box out and just leave that box out for a while. Let me feel in here. Nothing's ice cold. As long as it's not ice cold and I'm bringing it out into the air, pretty sure it's okay. There's the, looks like an inspection hang tag from the Indonesian factory. Your tremolo bar and something else is on that headstock piece of cardboard that I just took off. And there's the headstock in there. The guitar was a little bit cool, but it wasn't ice cold. Like I say, these things ship out of Indiana, I think, so might be a good idea to let it sit for at least an afternoon or something before you open it. I got off of a plane one time in Germany with 2 Yngwie Strats, and I had to check them down in baggage, and they were ice cold, dude. This is like a little I think this is an inspection booklet that Sweetwater put in the guitar, saying who went over it. Sweetwater does like a 55-point inspection, I think they call it, and they go through and sit the whole guitar up and check all of the adjustments and everything. Which, man, for a free service, I double checked everything, and it's set up perfect. They adjusted the pickups and everything. I didn't have to adjust anything on this guitar when I got it. Except for, I moved the middle pickup down a little bit, flusher to the pick guard. But that's just a personal preference thing. You wouldn't get this thing from Fender USA with a better setup than it came with. I'm looking over the guitar. It's perfect. So yeah, my two of my expensive Yngwie Strats were okay. Me opening the case. Yeah, there's where the bar and stuff is. I opened the case to make sure they were still in there off of a plane in Germany. You could have cooled a meat locker with them things. I will say this, my initial thoughts of the guitar when I first started playing it was disappointment. So I played a pretty sad song here, but I love the guitar. I just wasn't acclimated to it right away. So guys, consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell for more guitar videos in the future. Have a good weekend.